Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix marathon game not launching or not opening, won't start, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements to play the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, move to the next method. Next method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check. Next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Right click on it. Click on manage. Click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Right click on it. Click on properties. Now here click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time. You have to wait for it. Now after the game files are verified, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to allow game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings and after that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find it in the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game application, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to uninstall BattlEye and launch the game. So here you have to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here you can see BattlEye folder, open it and here you can see uninstall BattlEye. So what you need to do is simply right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now after this, again select install BattlEye, right click on it, click on run as administrator, click on yes, and after it is completed, now try to launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options as you can see in the picture. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and here switch off or disable this enable in-game overlay options from here. And after that, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Here under processes tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them. After selecting, right click on it, click on end a task. So this will close the app that is running in the background and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager, Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Now after you get set up, successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay. So what you need to do is go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. Now after doing this, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings, then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if it's working, but later on again come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next is to install DirectX. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that install it. Once you install it, after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that you have to click on add desktop app. After that go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add it, here you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after selecting high performance, launch the game and then check if it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Marathon game. So for that go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Marathon game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.